Imagine waking up every morning and every step feels like walking on pins and needles. For millions, even standing or walking across a room is painful. This is not just aging. The real problem lies in the nerves and muscles of your legs and feet. But the surprising part? Relief is not in medication or surgery. It comes from 3 simple exercises you can do every day. Before we start, subscribe to help us reach 1,000 subscribers and get more tips for pain-free movement. How can only 3 small movements improve neuropathy? Why do most treatments fail? By the end, you will know exactly which exercises to do and why they work. Neuropathy causes tingling, numbness, and pain in feet and legs. Diabetes, poor circulation, and inactivity make it worse. Most treatments only reduce symptoms but do not fix nerve health. Exercise 1, seated toe lifts. The first exercise is called seated toe lifts. Start by sitting on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your heels pressed firmly into the ground and lift only your toes upward as high as you can. Hold the position for a few seconds, then slowly lower your toes back down. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times for each foot. It may seem very simple, and that is exactly why it works. Most people skip this exercise because it feels too easy, but in reality, it targets the intrinsic muscles of the feet, which are often weak or inactive in neuropathy patients. Strengthening these muscles improves nerve activation and stimulates blood flow, which can gradually reduce tingling and numbness. Even a few minutes every day can make a noticeable difference. Over time, more flexible and more responsive to movement. The second exercise is heel raises. Begin by standing behind a chair or near a countertop for support if needed. Slowly lift your heels off the floor until you are standing on your toes. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds and then lower your heels back down gently. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. This exercise strengthens your calves, improves circulation, and enhances balance, which is particularly important for anyone suffering from neuropathy. Many patients report a reduction in stabbing calf pain within a few days of doing heel raises correctly. This exercise also stimulates the lower leg muscles, which supports the nerves and improves stability. It may feel challenging at first, but even simple consistency produces significant improvements. Doing this daily can help prevent falls, improve posture, and make walking less painful. Exercise 3, ankle circles and foot flexes. The third exercise combines ankle circles and foot flexes. While sitting or lying down, lift one foot slightly off the floor. Slowly rotate the ankle in a circular motion 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. After that, flex your toes upward and then point them forward. Repeat this several times for each foot. This movement improves flexibility, stimulates nerve endings, and reduces stiffness in the ankle and foot. Many patients are surprised at how quickly their feet start to feel lighter, more mobile, and more stable. It also encourages blood flow and muscle activation throughout the lower legs. Even if it feels minor, performing this exercise daily supports nerve health and helps prevent further deterioration. Skipping these exercises might feel easier in the moment, but the long-term consequences can be severe. Ignoring neuropathy leads to worsening pain, decreased balance, and a higher risk of falls. Imagine not being able to walk to the kitchen without discomfort, or even worse, gradually losing your independence. Neuropathy is not just about temporary tingling. It can compromise your mobility and overall quality of life if left untreated. These exercises are not optional. They are essential for maintaining strength, flexibility, and nerve function. Consistency is key, and avoiding them only prolongs suffering. The real reason neuropathy pain persists is not always the nerves themselves. Often, the muscles supporting your feet and legs have forgotten how to activate properly. This inactivity prevents proper blood flow, nerve stimulation, and strength development. By waking up these muscles with just 3 daily exercises, you can reverse weakness, improve stability, and reduce pain faster than you expect. The The moment you begin these movements consistently, your body starts retraining itself. Nerves regain sensitivity, muscles become stronger, and walking or standing gradually becomes easier and less painful. This simple approach addresses the root of the problem rather than masking the symptoms. Seated toe lifts strengthen the intrinsic foot muscles, which improves nerve signaling and helps restore natural foot function. Heel raises increase circulation in the calves, reduce inflammation, and build balance and lower leg strength. Ankle circles and foot flexes restore range of motion, stimulate nerve endings, and reduce stiffness throughout the feet and ankles. Even small daily repetitions produce measurable results. Certified physical therapists frequently recommend these exercises as a first line of defense against neuropathy. They are supported by research and clinical experience, demonstrating that consistent activation of muscles and nerves can prevent further degeneration and promote recovery. This story demonstrates that small, consistent actions can have a massive impact on nerve health and mobility. You do not need complicated treatments, expensive equipment, or surgery to regain strength in your legs and feet. Every day you take a few minutes to perform these 3 exercises. You are actively reversing weakness, improving nerve function, and reclaiming mobility. Your legs and feet can become stronger and more reliable with a simple daily routine. Empower yourself by taking control of your movement and health, and do not wait for pain to force you into action. Let us quickly recap. The 3 simple exercises are seated toe lifts, heel raises, and ankle circles with foot flexes. Performing these for just a few minutes every day can gradually reduce pain, improve strength, and restore balance. Try them today and notice how your legs and feet begin to feel lighter, more flexible, and more stable. If you want a complete 10-minute routine for full neuropathy relief, watch our next video linked right here. Remember to subscribe to the channel to help us reach 1,000 subscribers so we can continue providing tips for pain-free living. Thanks for watching, and here is to stronger, healthier, and pain-free legs.